Hi there, I'm Anna from Encom Energy and I'm here today at Briggs Equipment Hire in Lisburn, where they recently just constructed a brand new state-of-the-art training facility. Briggs brought us along to help significantly reduce their energy bills and reduce their carbon footprint on this new build project. We installed an 86 kilowatt panel array on this new build premise, helping Briggs Equipment Hire reduce their energy bills and reduce their carbon footprint. This project is on track for a whopping estimated £11,500 a year reduction on their electricity bill. At Encom, we work with companies large and small across the island of Ireland. If you're a business looking to reduce your energy costs and reduce your carbon footprint, we would love to help. Contact us today to see what we can do for your company.